For making attendance entry, click on to Payroll and select Attendance. Enter the employee code. Once you enter the employee code, all other details automatically fills up. Under type of leave, enter the number of working days, number of casual leave taken, number of days absent. Click on to Save option. Attendance entry saved successfully. For making payslip entry, click on to Payroll and select Salary Payslip. Enter the employee code. Once you enter the employee code, all other details automatically fills up. Click on to Save option. Payslip saved successfully. You can either print or view the payslip. For making loan deduction, click on to Payroll and select Loan Deduction. Enter the employee code, interest type, principal amount, loan amount. Also enter the period for loan deduction. Click on to Save option. Loan deduction is saved successfully. Attendance entry, payslip entry, and loan deduction in payroll management has been done successfully. Thank you.